With the example of the nitrogen cycle, we have seen how certain chemicals can dramatically affect the balance of nature in the ecosphere. Let us look further to see how life can alter the non-living world by looking at an important natural process called succession, and learn how, in our example, soil is formed. Soil is a complex substance composed of a mixture of inorganic or non-living rock particles, humus, which is non-living organic matter, and living organisms. The formation of soil accompanied the evolution of life, and before life existed, there was no soil. On weathered rocky surfaces, succession begins as the first lichens take hold on the rock. Lichens are part fungi and part algae, living together in a form beneficial to each, called mutualism. Lichens exert physical and chemical effects on the rock, which lead to its decomposition. Over time, small rock particles accumulate among the lichens. Following this first step in soil formation, some lichens die and add their organic remains to the small rock particles. Eventually, lichens are crowded out by simple rootless plants called mosses, and their cousins, the liverworts. The growth of mosses further decompose the rock. This adds even more inorganic material to the developing soil. Over time, this inorganic layer of tiny rock particles becomes deep enough to support ferns and other small plants. Over a period of many centuries, trees and shrubs take root and climax forests appear where rocky hillsides once existed. As the trees die, the organic matter of their limbs and leaves further enriches the soil as they are eaten by worms and insects, and decomposed by fungi and bacteria. The appearance of plants in succession always follows a definite sequence, whether it be in the formation of soil as solid rock is colonized, or after land has been cleared by forest fires or logging. This is because each group of life forms prepares the environment for the appearance of a new group in a very specific way. Today, the loss of topsoil due to poor farming, grazing, and logging practices is so severe that determined conservation efforts are required to assure a reliable source of food and timber for the rapidly increasing numbers of human beings. Because the rate of soil loss as it is blown or washed into the seas far exceeds its rate of formation. Succession and soil formation are important activities involved in shaping the ecosphere, showing once again how life has radically altered the non-living world over the centuries.